Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing a common issue that web developers often face when working with HTML, the duplication of headers and footers in the HTML tree. If you've ever encountered this problem while building a website or web application, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why this issue occurs and how to resolve it. In this video, we'll break down the concept of HTML trees, explain what headers and footers are, and provide a step-by-step guide on how to prevent their duplication. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical solutions to tackle this common problem. So let's start by understanding the basics of HTML trees. Well, let's try to allow the noise and talk away. An HTML tree is a hierarchical representation of the structure of an HTML document. It consists of nodes that represent elements, attributes, and text content. The root node represents the document itself, while other nodes branch out from it, forming a tree-like structure. Headers and footers are essential components of any web page. Headers typically contain metadata about the document, such as the title, charset, and links to external style sheets or script. Footers, on the other hand, usually contain information like copyright notices, contact details, or links to social media profiles. Now, when we talk about duplication of headers and footers in the HTML tree, what do we mean essentially? It means that multiple instances of these elements are being rendered in the DOM, leading to unexpected behavior and error. This can happen due to various reasons, such as incorrect nesting of elements, duplicated IDs or classes, or even browser-specific rendering issues. To prevent this duplication, let's go through a step-by-step process. First, ensure that you have a clear understanding of your HTML structure. Use tools like the Developer Console or online validators to inspect and verify your code. Next, check for any duplicated IDs or classes in your HTML elements. Make sure each element has a unique ID or class to avoid conflicts. Another common mistake is incorrect nesting of elements. Ensure that your headers and footers are correctly nested within their respective containers. Use semantic HTML elements like header and footer to define these sections explicitly. Finally, test your code in different browsers and devices to catch any rendering issues early on. To summarize the main points discussed in this video, understand the basics of HTML trees and how they represent the structure of an HTML document. Recognize the importance of headers and footers in a web page and their typical content. Identify potential reasons for duplication of headers and footers in the HTML tree, such as incorrect nesting or duplicated IDs classes. Follow the step-by-step process to prevent duplication. Inspect your code, avoid duplicated IDs classes, correct nesting, and test across browsers' devices. That's it for today's video on preventing header and footer duplication in the HTML tree. We hope you found this explanation helpful in resolving a common issue that web developers face. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points discussed, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on web development and related topics. We'll catch you in the next video.